how to make notes on PYQ. For this you have to follow some steps. Step 1, write the question. Step 2, write correct option. Step 3, write correct explanation. Explanation of 4 options. Step 4, write detailed notes on concerned टॉपिक। तो इसके मतलब ये है कि पहले तुम क्वेश्चंस को लिख लो, उसके बाद सारे ऑप्शंस को लिखो। ऑप्शंस को लिखने के बाद चारों ऑप्शंस के लिए करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन लिखो। उसके बाद कॉन्सर्न टॉपिक जो है उसके ऊपर एक बड़े नोट्स लिखो जो तुम्हें आगे के लिए फायदा होगा। इसके ऊपर और कोई भी क्वेश्चंस आता है तुम उसका आंसर कर पाओगे। फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने एक क्वेश्चंस को लिखता हूँ जो CDS में 2021 में आया था, और CDS, NDA and civil services all are conducted by UPSC. So सारे UPSC कंडक्ट करते हैं। तो कोई भी UPSC का एग्ज़ाम देने के लिए पहले UPSC जो एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट करते हैं उसके सारे POSQs को करना है, तो पता चलेगा कि कौन सी टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन सिलेक्ट होता है। ओके, इसीलिए जो NDA के लिए प्रिपरेशन सोच रहे हो वो CDS का GK को भी फॉलो करना जब तुम्हारा NDA का सारे PYQ सॉल्व हो जाता है। ओके, नाउ जो क्वेश्चंस के बारे में हम बता रहे थे दैट इज ओशन करंट के बारे में क्वेश्चन है। ओशन करंट, फॉर आंसर ऑफ एवरी क्वेश्चंस यू have to make the following step. You have to make the following step 1, write the question. ओके, क्वेश्चन को कॉपी में लिखोगे। क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे जो था, which one of the following is a cold ocean current? First option Brazilian current, second option Gulf Stream, third option North Equatorial current, and fourth option California current. ओके, तो अभी इस जगह तो हम लोग जानते हैं कि इसका आंसर डी ऑप्शन होगा। डी ऑप्शन इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है जो हम लोग जानते हैं। लेकिन अभी ब्राजीलियन करंट क्या होता है, गल्फ स्ट्रीम क्या होता है, नॉर्थ इक्वेटोरियल करंट क्या होता है, ये सब के बारे में हम लोग को डिटेल्स में मालूम होना चाहिए, बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चन और भी कोई अदर फॉर्म में भी आ सकते हैं। एंड लास्ट थिंग ये है कि ये टॉपिक क्या, ओशन करंट के बारे में। दैट मीन्स ओशन करंट एक टॉपिक है जो जिससे मान लो कोई क्वेश्चन NDA में, कमिंग CDS में, सिविल सर्विसेज में आ सकते, इसके बारे में कोई क्वेश्चन हो गए तो ओशन करंट के बारे में हम लोग को डिटेल्स मालूम करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, तो अभी देखो इसमें सेकेंड स्टेप जो है, राइट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो यू हैव रिटन ऑप्शन डी, कैलिफोर्निया करंट. ओके. आफ्टर दैट, your third step, correct explanation and notes about 4 points. 4 options, sorry. 4 options. Here option D is correct. Brazilian current. The Brazil current is a warm current, water current that flows south along the Brazilian south coast to the mouth of the Rio de la Plata. Okay. Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream is a strong ocean current that brings warm water, that is also warm current, from the Gulf of Mexico into the Atlantic Ocean. Okay. Third option था कि North Equatorial Current. The North Equatorial Current is a significant Pacific and Atlantic Ocean current that flows east to west between about 10 knot to 20 knot. This is also a warm current. California current. The California current is a तो मूव नहीं हो रहा. ओके, ठीक है. California current is a cold water Pacific Ocean current that moves southward along the western coast of North America, beginning of southern British Columbia and ending of southern Baja California, sir. Okay. So this one is a cold current. Okay. That's why the answer will be California current, that is option D. Okay. Now, question may come or they may ask about ocean current. Every aspect about the ocean current you have to learn. Okay. So for that reason, you have to make detailed notes. Step 4, detailed notes about concerned topic. Here is ocean current. Okay. What is ocean current? What are the two types of ocean current? You have to learn. So an ocean current is a continuous directed movement of ocean water generated by the forces acting upon it, such as breaking waves, wind, Coriolis effect, temperature, salinity differences, tides caused by the gravitational pull of moon and the sun. Okay. From this thing also question may be asked. Okay. Now ocean currents circulate in clockwise direction. It also can come in the form of MCQ in northern hemisphere and in anti-clockwise direction in southern hemisphere. So in the northern hemisphere it is in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction in southern hemisphere. तो clockwise कहाँ पे, नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. तो शॉर्ट में थोड़ा ध्यान रखिएगा, ओशन करंट जो क्लॉकवाइज होते हैं नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर है. करंट से याद रहता है ओशन करंट, सी फॉर क्लॉकवाइज, एन फॉर northern hemisphere. Okay. So anti-clockwise you can easily remember. Okay. Ocean current are two types, that is warm current and cold currents. The ocean currents flowing from lower latitude to higher latitude are known as warm current. Okay. warm current के लिए एक फेज बना लेना, that is warm current कैसे, that is ocean current flowing from lower latitude to higher latitude. Okay. Lower latitude to higher latitude. And cold current, the ocean current flowing from higher latitude to lower latitude are known as cold current. Here you can write HCl. हायर लैटिट्यूड टू लोअर लैटिट्यूड कौन जाएगा, कोल्ड करंट जाएंगे. तो ओके, तो वार्म करंट के जगह पे कोल्ड करंट वाला से बना लो, दैट इज HCl, H फॉर हायर लैटिट्यूड। से कौन जाता है, कोल्ड करंट किसके तरफ जाता है, लोअर लैटिट्यूड पे। ओके, एट प्लेसेस वेयर कोल्ड करंट एंड वार्म करंट, अभी देखो कुछ इकोनॉमिकल इंपॉर्टेंस है। एट प्लेसेस वेयर कोल्ड करंट एंड वार्म करंट मीट्स, फिशिंग इज वेरी फेवरेबल। Newfoundland is favorable for fishing due to meeting of Labrador current and North Atlantic drift। और इसके बारे में अभी थोड़ी देर बाद डिटेल्स और भी है, लैब्राडोर करंट किसके एग्जांपल है एंड ऑल। ओके, एट प्लेसेस वेयर कोल्ड करंट and warm current meets, fishing is very favorable. Newfoundland is favorable for fishing due to meeting of Labrador current and North Atlantic drift. Okay, now next page. करंट ऑफ नॉर्थ पैसिफिक ओशन। नॉर्थ पैसिफिक ओशन में कौन सी वार्म करंट है, कौन सा कोल्ड करंट है, उसका नाम, कहाँ से कहाँ तक फ्लो करते हैं, उसके बारे में ध्यान रखना है। ओके, धीरे धीरे सब याद हो जाएगा। वार्म करंट, नॉर्थ इक्वेटोरियल करंट, इट फ्लोज westward from the western coast of Mexico to the Philippines. That is Kuroshio current. It is an extension of North Equatorial current. Near Japan coast, it flows towards north. Alaska current, that is also a warm current. It flows along the coast of British Columbia and the Alaska Peninsula. Okay. तो इसमें वार्म करंट जो है नॉर्थ पैसिफिक ओशन में, नॉर्थ इक्वेटोरियल करंट, कुरोशियो करंट, अलास्का करंट। नाउ व्हाट अबाउट कोल्ड करंट? That is called the current of North Pacific Ocean, cold current. Oyashi current, Oyashi current. Then Okhotsk current, Okhotsk current, जिसको कुरिल करंट भी कहते हैं, they are cold current. Oyashi current, it flows down from Bering Sea towards Japan and from North Pole, and it's joined Kuroshio current. Okay, that is a cold current. Okhotsk current or Kuril current, it flows down from Sea of Okhotsk and join Kuroshio current in the north of Japan. West wind drift, it flows towards Alaska. Californian current, it is an extension of Alaska current. It joins finally North Equatorial current and completed clockwise circulation of water. These are all, that is cold current. So here the example of warm current and cold current of North Pacific Ocean. Okay. Now currents of South Pacific Ocean, warm current, East Australian current, Great Barrier current also it is known as. It flows towards east coast of Australia from equator towards pole. South equatorial current, it originates due to southeast trade winds and flows westwards and bifurcates near New Guinea. Counter equatorial current, it extends up to Panama Bay. It flows exactly on equator from west to east. Cold current, Peruvian current is a cold current. It is also known as Humboldt current. It flows from south towards equator on the coast of Chile and Peru. West wind current drift, it flows from Tasmania to Chile coast of South America. Current of North Atlantic Ocean. This warm current, that is East Australian current, South Equatorial current, Counter Equatorial current, these are all साउथ पैसिफिक ओशन, साउथ पैसिफिक ओशन की कोल्ड करेंट जो है पेरुवियन करेंट, वेस्ट विंड ड्रिफ्ट एक्सेट्रा. Current of North Atlantic Ocean, that is warm current, north equatorial current, it is present between equator and 10 degree north. That is Kaini current, it flows adjacent to French Guiana and enters into Caribbean Sea and Gulf of Mexico. Florida current, very important current. Kaini current near Florida, US coast, is called Florida current. And Antilles current, it flows to the east of West Indies and other islands. Gulf Stream, it flows from US coast towards northwest Europe under the influence of westerly winds. North Atlantic Drift Gulf of Stream bifurcates into North Atlantic Drift warm and West Wind Drift, that is the cold, and carries current. So these are the that is cold current and warm current. You have to remember all the things. Okay, so another one, cold current, Labrador current. It is a cold current. It originates from the Baffin Bay and Davis Strait and merges with Gulf Stream near न्यूफाउंडलैंड. थोड़ी देर पहले भी हम लोग न्यूफाउंडलैंड के बारे में हम लोग बताया था. न्यूफाउंडलैंड इज ए फेमस जोन ऑफ फिशिंग कॉमनली नोन एज ग्रैंड बैंक. ये भी आ सकता है. और Irminger current or Greenland current, it flows between Greenland and the Iceland and merges with North Atlantic Drift. Canaries current, it flows along the western coast of North Africa between Madeira, Cape Verde and joins North Equatorial current. West wind current, west wind drift, it flows clockwise from west to east around Antarctica. Okay. So these are the cold current. You have to remember the name. Currents of South Atlantic Ocean, that is warm current. Okay. South equatorial current, it flows between equator of 10 degrees south. Brazilian current, this Brazilian current was the concern of the question. It flows, that is to the east coast of Brazil from equator towards pole. Cold current, Falkland current, it flows along the southeast coast of South America from south to north. That is Bengali current, it flows from south to north near the Cape of Good Hope. West wind current, it continues, it is continuance of Brazilian current and Falkland current. Guiana current, it flows near coast of Guinea. These are all cold current. Current of Indian Ocean. The Asiatic monsoon influences the currents of the North Indian Ocean, while currents of South Indian Ocean are influenced by the atmosphere anticyclonic circulation. North equatorial current, the current flows from the east to west, and upon reaching the east coast of Africa, a good portion turns southward, crosses the equator and becomes Mozambique current. Mozambique current flows from south along the east coast of Africa from the vicinity of equator to about 35 degrees, where it becomes Agulhas stream. The Agulhas stream flows westward along and southwest of Madagascar and joins the Mozambique current along the East African coast. West wind drift current, it flows across the Indian Ocean to the waters southwest of Australia. Northeast monsoon drift, it flows along the coast of India during winter. So like that you have to make the notes, detailed notes about ocean current. So after solving PIQ, you have to make notes for every question. Okay. This is an example of ocean current. So first of all, you have to write the question. You have to write the Second step, you have to write the correct option. After that, you have to make the explanation of the 4 option. After that, you have to make a detailed notes about concern topic. Here it was ocean current. Okay, I think you have understood. You have to make the notes. Okay, so if you are preparing for NDA, so it will be also, you will be it will be preparation for CDS also, सिविल सर्विसेज ऑल्सो. ओके, सो यूपीएससी का कोई भी एक एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हो, सारे एग्जाम्स के लिए वो एक बेस बन जाएगा. ओके, इसीलिए डिटेल्स में पढ़ते रहिए. ओके बेटा.